Wow, it sure is winter here. Man, it's gonna be really cold again tonight. 10 below tomorrow night. It's windy as hell still. As you can see, the snow is blowing around like crazy. I'm out here in a t-shirt just to grab this real quick so people could see who don't live around here how crazy this is. But this is my house, and where I'm, is my driveway. My dog's barking. She thinks someone's here because I'm talking. I only talk when there's a person here. So anyway, there you go. This is the place. That's the last of my firewood. 1 of 3 rows left. So, alright. You hear the wind. Look at the snow whipping along here. Look at this stuff. Crazy. It's my snowmaking machine for my cross-country ski hill.